And guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, yung baby natin, iiwanan natin kay Kuya Ed. Okay, alas 5 na. And so we're inside na Memorial Park. Ang halaking Memorial Park to. Oh. It's big. It's by in the mountains. So, happy birthday in heaven, Tatay Aquilino Sadulang Traspi. He died September 29, 2022. Shout out to my family for not letting me know. I arrived October 2, patay na siya, and then they didn't tell me, and they didn't let me see yung katawan niya until like after October 13 pinanganak. October 13 yung pinakaano niya. Damn, nalilito na naman ako. Okay, at saka si Apong Anisha. Ayun, eto may picture na. Yun, ang galing oh. Anisha Ancheta Sadulang Traspe. Si Tatay Aquilino. Yun, ang galing. Alright tay, uwi na ako Pilipinas tay ha. Guide me. Yan, talagang rest in peace na tatay. Hindi ka tumigil hanggat di mo ko dinala nung isang araw, nung Monday tsaka Tuesday sa regional. Alright guys, see, may picture na si tatay pogi at saka si Apong ayan, Lola ay Ilocano. Okay, sige, at nag-aantay na talaga yung kaibigan ko. May pasok siya ngayong gabi. Last way. God bless you guys from Oak Hill Memorial Park or Cemetery in San Jose, California. God bless you guys. October 19, 2025. Happy 89th birthday in heaven, Tatay Aquilino. And si Grandma, she died in January 25, 1999, and Tatay died in September 29, 2022. Aquilino Sadulang Traspi and Anisha Ancheta Sadulang Traspi, in loving memory. God bless you guys. Peace.